only madam save me.
Oh.
See, he got to Munoba. Then you just see the wet one. Takata now. Then mebu. Then mababu. Okay. Then mababu mebu. That day where my blood, since 13 years, since 2013, I stand for the struggle. My blood never pour for grant. Ugwacha protest Igube for Kigwe State, Igube for Kigwe State. I was one of them that started that work with your waiting.
All right, so welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? I just want to go through this voice or message from Commander Thunder. Thunder decided to appear to narrate the story of what happened. A few weeks ago, it was reported that there was an issue in the camp where he is with Butuzor, and that he was thrown to pit and all that, and chained, of course, tortured and all that. So I, for one, I made it clear here that I don't think that the guy is still alive, despite the report from CS that he's alive. Luckily, he's alive. So that one is very, very, a good thing. I'm happy to see that he's alive, to be honest with you, because why I doubted because of Eggman and, this fallback republic, they were, the comment they were making sounds like the guy is no more. But this goes to show that many of them coming out to say one or two things online, and they don't even have the details. And I have to applaud Commander Thunder for his courage to even come out and narrate this story, because many people were scared of a Butuzor, because a man that you don't know his face and all that, so and he can see you, he know your voice, he may track you and all that. So he came out and decided to narrate the story by himself. I decided to play his voice in the beginning of the message, before reacting on it, simply because I want you to know what the video is all about. Without wasting much of your time, please do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Your comment is very important to us, so that people will know that people that watch the video are not robots. So please put your comment and tell us what you think about it. Now that Commander Thunder have decided to come out by himself to tell the story, to narrate it, to show the whole world what happened, and actually expose some of those things that are very, very difficult to find out. Many people are curious to know what is going on there. A lot of people have said that these people definitely beating at me. Some people, they mention names that they are committing crimes, they are doing this and doing that. I, for one, I have decided not to talk about it because I don't have any proof or any evidence. But there's something that Commander Thunder said here. He made it clear that somebody that by in the past was orchestrated by Gento. And that one did not go down well with me, because Gento happened to be somebody that many people loved. And not only Gento, everybody loved definitely beating at me, simply because it's not easy for you to volunteer yourself to protect people who don't even care. Because many of us don't care, right? So, but I have to respect them on that. Now that Commander Thunder have been threatened, this is a man that have seen what happened to other people. So let's not pretend that he's a novice. He's not a novice. He has been with them. Believe it or not, he may know one or two things, the ordeal, the activities of some of them, and what they have done and what they are capable of. So he is speaking from experience. But the truth is that whether what he did that lingered to that caused that created the problem between him and Butuzor, or whether it's what taking his life or not, whether no matter what, no matter how you want to analyze it, that thing is not supposed to be like that. Nobody's supposed to buy in the hands of another person. One, both of you are looking for one thing. Two, both of you are sharing blood. These are relatives. These are one people. But because of animosity, because of one or two things, money, that is the issue. Money. Some people will think, oh, he don't want me to make money from this person. Oh, you are talking to the other person, whereas we are supposed to focus on another person. Your enemy must not be my enemy. But the person you consider your enemy could be actually the right person to help you, to assist you, to make you to achieve that thing that you claim that you want to achieve. I'm just saying because many things is going on and we need to call it the way it is. So I don't want to waste much of your time. Let us listen to Commander Thunder. But before then, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your take. What do you think? And what is your own take on all these things? I just feel like sharing it for us to know.
Only madam save me. Oh. See, he got to Munoba. Then you just see the work on Takata now. Then mebu. Then mababumu. Okay. Then mababumu. That day where my brother, since 13 years, since 2013, I stand for the struggle. My blood never pour for grant. Ugwacha protest Igube for Kigwe State, Igube for Kigwe State. I was one of them that started that work with your waiting. With Zuma. They don't know me. I started this military with Zuma. With your waiting, Holy Ghost is our first commander. The first Butuzor in this journey. But the man be on a claim now going is the struggler. I'm a senior army in Biafra army. I'm a senior military. I first Butuzor for this military. Zuma where them kidnap, where them carry, where them buy from that Okigwe was planned by Gentle. Passing the way maybe Zuma for me to be silent. They say if God says so, if people say so, when I go feed them, they plan a death and my cup run it over. And the Kugu with even more than you, and when he was on the man of Wow Biafra. You see, in this my they say Rabachapana Melbourne. I don't want to share no. They're going to do to watch you. They got them. It's in the other people. That's for the no dollar because of the Butuzor. After Butuzor to Canada. Help me, let me read to Butuzor. I was there. And I was there. He give Butuzor voice. These people won't kill me because of what happened. These people won't kill me. Butuzor, help me as their father. Not let these people happen to me. A blue the guy gonna pay it. Make a badge them some moment for the guy can't meet Butuzor. I don't know no go. I check all of them no go. No be about phone. From one phone to Omega. More welcome. Now it's time for you to leave because if I start doing my work, they will hold you. That's why you see me leave that barrack. All the people Kabama, we don't know what we do now. We are on a team now more G. Or what I mean you were poison. Into a show boom make it, into a shaman, or what you were poison more Jinda. And even your hair prove no what. I've done more harm than good. You know, so I've gone. Because before my own, the guy in the queer foreign, no lang. Also, Thunder. This is the way they talk like this. You go feel withstand these people. You see, how many ways you must measure, other woman may. I will withstand these people. Some men know they talk like this. So this one they didn't against it. This one they didn't. So, my view withstand these people. Instead of moving name, not you name. Chile was mezzie, or the woman may. Man, the canon knows me well. Madame knows me well.
All right, we have heard it all. This is the message. I just want to give a little advice to our people. Sometimes you don't need to expect everything to happen or go the way you want. Sometimes in life, you need to give room for peace. You need to understand that the issue of Biafra movement of freedom of our people is not tied on your waist. Anybody can do it better than you. It is now your duty, your responsibility to understand that the person knows this thing better than you. All you need to do is to support. give that person a supporting hand, as long as the person is heading to the direction, to achieve that thing that you claim that you want. Unless if you are doing what you're doing out of pretense, maybe you just want to make money or you want to be famous without giving people Biafra or freedom they were looking for. You may hide under the idea or under the story that you are an agitator, you're a freedom fighter, whereas you are doing something else. If not, how can you turn against somebody who is doing the same thing that you are doing? How can you now wish the person to buy? It doesn't make any sense. And like what Commander Thunder said here, the body language and what he's saying here, I can tell you, it will be difficult for me to doubt everything he said here, because we have seen a lot of things on social media, the comment and the utterances of many people. All this thing is something that one need to understand, that if you begin to go after your own people and taking them one by one, or maybe making sure that you are maybe contributing in any shape or form to their to send them to judgment. I'm trying to choose my word, my people, to send them to judgment. You have done nothing good. In fact, you have laid cause, you have bring cause to yourself. You don't need to engage yourself in that kind of thing. All you should do is focus on that thing that that will give you what you want. It is very, very sad to hear this kind of story. Everything is not everything. Everything that Biafrans hold so dear, believing that everything is all right, in the space of few months that PM is not here, have actually collapsed very, very, very well. And it is not a good idea. It is not a good thing. I don't know why. I don't know. Honestly, I am highly disappointed. I don't want to go, like I've said yesterday, I don't want to analyze Biafra Liberation Army. I don't want to talk about them much. I can only say what is on social media. Despite that, there's a lot to talk about it based on also what is on social media, but we must not talk on. We must not, get involved in everything. Anyway, my people, let me know what you think about it. What is your take? What do you think about everything that Commander Thunder said here? I'm happy once again. Thank God that he's alive. Please make sure you like it and share it. God bless you.